and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and it's Purple Post Day. Very excited. I have a painting here today. This one is an Esther Anna Voros. Probably said wrong. But it's an Esther Anna Voros painting, and if you've seen any of hers, they are amazing. They are absolutely amazing. They're so different. The artwork, I find, is one of those that grows on me. It's one that you might look over first, but then actually when you really look at it, it's stunning. It's not like it's too busy and there's you know, too much going on. It's just, I don't know what it is. It's just one that needs a second glance. So this unboxing is a Night Messenger. So this one is £42.90. It is a 50 by 70 and it's a square. So to show you, look at it. I say, it's not like if you keep looking at it, you see loads of different things. But sometimes it's one of those, if you scroll in, just don't scroll too fast. It actually is stunning. So I say, this one's called Night Messenger. It has 32 different colours. I am going to get my scissors and cut off my stickers here, because these will be going back in with the kit. This will be staying aside to go in my logbook. So I like to do the chopping as I unbox it. But let's have a look at this beauty. I'm happy to add more to my stash. I have a few of hers now. And yeah, they're just gorgeous. What colour's that one down the middle? 3756. Look at it. Blues, greens. I say there are 32 different colours. If I turn it on its side, you might be able to see the full image a little bit better. But look at those greens and yellows and how they pop on the blue. There is quite a bit of nice blockiness. So we do have some 310 down here. This is where I tend to start, at the bottom. So we've got a bit of variety. Then I have a section of blockiness. And then I'd have a section of variety again, which is nice to mix it up, especially if you do it this way. If you did it this way, you might feel like there's a lot of blockiness. But yeah, it's just different and stunning. So we have the bird having a conversation maybe with the hare. Definitely looks more like a hare. It's got longer ears. It's the eye as well that's making me think it's a hare over a rabbit, though I am not technical enough to know the difference. But yeah, so we do have sections of blockiness. So there is a sections here that is the same, but then it filters in to the rest of the background. And we've got these look like a mixture of tulips and leaves. They look like from a distance, but when you look closer, it's probably a different type of flower. And then we also have some mushrooms, or what looks like mushrooms, here at the bottom. But yeah, I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. Here are the colours. So this is your bulk background colour. We do have 2 bags of 310. We actually have quite a lot of this deeper blue as well. That looks like it will be £9.95 by the looks of it. But I'd probably have to take it out to tell. But look, there's that pop of greeny yellow. Which one is that? Is that 3819? Maybe. But look, absolutely gorgeous. Just the way that pops against all the blues, I think is absolutely beautiful. We do have a little bit of yellow and a little bit of mustard, but that is your main array of colours. Anybody that knows me knows I love my blue. I also love my limey coloured green in diamond paintings. Don't have it anywhere else, but I love a bit of lime green in a diamond painting. There is nothing like that colour popping. I just love it. I just love it. So they are the colours. Absolutely gorgeous. I've just got too many in my stash that I need to do, but hey ho, I need to add more. I can't not add more. So yeah, this is a, say 50, did I say 50 by 50 by 70. I knew it was longer. So 50 by 70 in size, and that is your true size of your painting. So that is your diamond painting area. Diamond Art Studio UK work with the painting size being the actual drill area. And then the canvas round the edge makes the whole thing bigger. You can also choose to get a toolkit with your painting or not. I always say no because I have my own that I use, and it saves me having more bits of plastic about that is not needed. I don't need that one. But yeah, I can't wait to do this. I can't wait to see those colours pop as it builds up. But then again, I've got quite a few that I can't wait to do. So this one will go into my logbook and then into my decision app. I will pop a link to this painting down below. I will also pop the discount code that I have for Diamond Art Studio UK in case you fancy saving a penny or two. It's always there for you to use if you want to. But yeah, gorgeous artwork. Esther Anna Voros. I say I have quite a few of hers now, and they do come together so nicely, and they can make definitely a different piece of artwork for your home. There's many of these that I actually want to put up on the walls in my home because I do believe they are art in themselves, never mind the fact that we get to put them together. We get to put the diamonds art on and turn them into that piece of art for our wall. Symbols are all really clear, just to confirm. They do use white letters and numbers on the dark ones and black on the lighter ones. I've never had a problem with symbols on any of my Diamond Art Studio canvases, with or without a light pad. I've never had a problem. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching me unbox another painting. I feel like there's quite a few at the moment, but yeah, it's just stunning. Sorry, I keep getting distracted by looking at different bits and the way the colours pop. It just, I don't know, it's one of those days with me. It just keeps catching me. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.